The project comprises of the refurbishment of the former Duchess School with the addition of a new build extension to create a hotel comprising of new build rooms and luxury suites within the former manor house. The building had stood derelict for a number of years, which had certainly took its toll. The refurbishment element of the project is a grade 2 star listed building. The issues that we faced started with subsidence to the peth gable wall, which we overcome with polymer injection. We then found high levels of lead paint within the build, which needed to be dealt with as a hazardous waste and removal from a specialist contractor. We then discovered that dry rot had took hold of all of the timber elements within the refurb. So it needed to be stripped back to stonework, the roof joists and all timber lintels removed, open for a full dry rot treatment.
I don't think either Northumberland Estates or Robertson have had a project where so many things have come out of the woodwork and gone wrong, really. We were probably meant to open 12 months ago, and then the listed terrace erupted in dry rot. The back fell out of one of the buildings. There's been a lot of things to overcome. Probably one of the memories is a little bit of trench humour, just trying to find the humorous side, but then finding a practical, cost-effective solution as a team to overcome and actually deliver something which has turned out to be fantastic.
It's been very much a team effort, this one. We had to work closely with the client, Northumberland Estates, with local planners, Historic England, our temporary works engineers and our supply chain to come up with a plan to carry out this work as sympathetically as possible in a repair, not replace scenario.
The quality which the team's delivered is exceptional. Right down to the finishes with the architrave of the skirt, and every detail's been thought about, every detail's had a lot of time and effort put into it. And I think you can tell that the minute you walk in the door.